Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on additional settings. Now languages and input, manage keyboards, and settings. Over here tap on theme and tap on the plus sign under my themes. Now you can pick a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click next. Adjust brightness, tap done, and click on the switcher next to keyboards to disable or enable them. After that, click apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!